New Weapons Channel has just received news that the Russian self-propelled anti-aircraft system Derivation-PVO will receive projectiles with programmable detonation, effective among other things for intercepting miniature targets. The use of such ammunition will make it possible to engage micro and mini drones in 1 or 2 short bursts. The New Weapons Channel reminds us that Derivatsiya-PVO is designed to replace the obsolete Shilka and Zu-23 air defense systems in the Army. The control system of the anti-aircraft artillery system calculates the projectile's flight direction, ballistics and point of detonation by setting a timer for each projectile. The detonation time is entered into each projectile by means of a programmer mounted on the barrel next to the muzzle brake. The control system of the anti-aircraft artillery system calculates the time of detonation so that it takes place at the pre-positioning point on the flight path of the airborne target. The anti-aircraft artillery system Derivatsiya-PVO can hit the enemy with these special shells with controlled detonation both in cover and around the corner of the building, as well as in a trench if someone has taken cover from a direct shot. Derivation Air Defense is an anti-aircraft artillery system. It consists of a fighting vehicle with a 57mm automatic cannon, a transport loading vehicle, and a repair and maintenance vehicle. The Derivation Air Defense has state-of-the-art optics and electronics that are able to detect, recognize and escort fast-flying targets. Everything about the Petit anti-aircraft missile system on the chassis of the airborne troop combat vehicle can be seen at the link. See you soon on the channel.